researched how to buy shares of BCP Investment Corp, a company that invests in real estate-related assets and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BCIC. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy BCIC, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker BCIC to locate the listing. Select the result that matches BCP Investment Corp to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart showing recent market activity. Confirm the company name and ticker BCIC to make sure it's the right listing. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Then review order details including fees and execution type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending market order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.